tarladakiler ne?
Şeker pancarı kızım.
Yani bunun içinde şeker mi var?
Senin bildiğin anlamda şeker yok kızım. Tarladaki şeker pancarları toplanır, fabrikaya gider. Orada işlenip şeker haline dönüşür.
Bak, bu kutunun içinde yöremizin lokumları var. Lokumlarımız ve şekerlemelerimiz hem çok lezzetli hem de doğal. Çünkü içinde şeker pancarının şekeri var.
Our quality and taste are always the same, although it has been years since the sugar beet is turning into sugar, and that sugar gives life to Turkish delight. Turkish delight, lokum, whose name comes from an Ottoman word rahat ul hulkum, which means throat relaxer, has been known approximately since the 15th century in Anatolia. Turkish delight arrived in Afyon in the 17th century. This taste craftsmanship has reached to present day by preserving the natural flavour of the first day with the help of ay order, from craftsman to journeyman, from journeyman to apprentice. Carrying the unique flavour of Afyon, Ogaş has been carrying this 500-year-old traditional taste to the present day for 32 years by blending its healthy and hygienic production with the most advanced technology. It is a holder of BRC ISO 22000 Food Safety Management System, ISO 9001 Quality Management System, and Halal Food Certificates. Ogaş has a significant share in both domestic and international markets, with 20 tons of Turkish delight and 5 tons of Turkish fairy gloss production capacity. Lokum Atölyesi has been serving for 4 years to fulfill our longing for retail and to transfer our values to future generations. We are acting in unison with a crew for high-quality service concept and sustainable production. We make decisions about things can be done together with employees who are experts in their fields and who know the developing technology and new production systems to increase our employees' motivation and to be efficient. Lokum Atölyesi, besides 250 kinds of Turkish delight, has enriched its product range with Turkish fairy floss and other sweets, dried fruits, ice cream, semolina halva, with ice cream and Afyon cream, desserts with sherbet and baklava, chocolate and dragis, Turkish coffees and spices. From pistachio to hazelnut Turkish delight, from water buffalo cream to walnut shredded phyllo dough Turkish delight, from fruit-flavoured sugar powder Turkish delight with hard consistency to cocoa Turkish delight, from peppermint to rosy Turkish delight, we are producing hundreds of Turkish delight types and delicious tastes for you. In Turkish delights that we made with 100% of beet sugar, we use completely natural flavourings and colorants, and by breaking new ground, we produce Turkish delights from real fruit extracts, carrot, apple, quince, grape, fig, apricot, pumpkin, date, carob and blackberry. We know that the most important thing is to make no concessions on quality. The factor that provides continuity for a brand is products having the same quality and taste. Each product is evaluated individually in our quality control unit, and only after this stage they are offered for sale. Ogaş feels right proud of spreading the taste of Turkish delights from Afyon to 35 countries of the world, with its approximately 250 employees under its organizational structure. With our Lokum Atölyesi stores, we are a big family composed of nearly 1,000 fellow workers, including the production process. It is quite easy for you to buy our products from many stores in central locations. All of our products are very healthy, economic, as well as they have been reaching you for years with the same taste. We made the understanding of hospitality and kindness that inherited from our culture and ancestors the keystone of our company. Turkish coffee and buffalo creamy delight are served to our guests in our stores without carrying any financial worries. Just as our culture has appreciated behaviours before guests, our guests are made to feel comfortable as if they had come to their homes. They are greeted, entertained and sent off. Trade is always of secondary importance. Our target is all the works we have done in a sustainable and steady management approach. Our environmentally conscious production and respect for the rights of our customers and employees enable us to achieve our future goals. Taste and flavour of the past. It is always the same, with years of experience and new technologies. Afyon Lokum Atölyesi. It is blessed when shared.